Hello and welcome to a Brit Reacts to Bollywood, and I've really enjoyed starting to look at Helen's songs. Anyone watching, are there any other platforms that are worth publishing on which an Indian audience or international global audience might be watching and appreciate, which might be growing, alternative to YouTube? I'd be very interested to know. I'm going to be looking at another Helen song, which a community member very kindly, Kira, wonderfully suggested, and it's a song from the film The Train. 1970. It's an extraordinary poster. It reminds me of something like Hitchcock, that kind of era film. It's just great. It's so classic of the period. It's very artistically merited. It's beautiful. The dynamic of the text and everything like that. I love it. This woman running down a sort of metaphorical train tunnel in a red alluring dress, and is that Rajesh Khanna with just a match to light the way, looking, investigating, intrepid. It's very exciting. I love it. Hindi language thriller starring Rajesh Khanna and Nanda, a very beautiful actress there. It's a remake of the 1967 Malayalam film Cochin Express. It stars Khanna as a police inspector, Shyam Kumar, who sets out to solve a series of murders which have all taken place on a train. Complicating the situation are his girlfriend Nita, played by Nanda, who has been acting mysteriously ever since she began her new job, and hotel dancer Miss Lily, played by Helen, who tries to seduce the good police inspector but may find that she loses her heart instead. Or is it may find that she loses her heart instead? Oh, that makes more sense. Music by R.D. Burman. It's Rose Movies production company. It's directed by Ravikant Nagaich. This is exciting. Okay, I don't recall watching Cochin Express, so let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look. Nice shot there. Love that shot. Very dynamic. She's so funny. She's so extra. I love it. There he is investigating. Wow. MERI JAAN MAINE KAHA, MERI JAAN MAINE KAहा, MERI JAAN तूने सुना, दिल ने दिल से क्या कहा, मेरी जान मैंने कहा, मेरी जान तूने सुना, मेरी जान मैंने कहा, मेरी जान तूने सुना, दिल ने दिल से क्या कहा. Who's this guy? Not yet. Oh. Wow. So anarchic and creative in the cinematography. Beautiful sets. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at this psychedelic shot.
मेरी जान मैंने कहा मेरी जान तुमने सुना मेरी जान मैंने कहा मेरी जान तुमने सुना.
Wow, it's crazy. Wow. Wow, look at this. Wonderful. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. Beautiful. It's so playful. Where do I even begin? They really made a choice with any time they hired Helen to have a nightclub set and a stage and people drinking as an audience watching her perform. It's a very interesting choice. A particular actress to constantly be doing that. But then maybe they did that with a lot of other actors. I remember, was it the first video I ever looked at in the 100 Greatest Bollywood Songs was a very similar conceit. So it's obviously a popular concept in that era, 60s and 70s. It's so mad and eccentric, and it's perfect for Helen. It's almost like she picked a lot of the choices there. It's just so 60s and so playful and innocent and silly and vibrant, eccentric. And the man she was dancing and singing with, most extraordinary deep monster voice. He was quite small and nimble and wearing what looked like a sort of cowboy outfit almost. And she was in this very interesting mix of Eastern and Western dress. It looked to me like doing a beautiful dance. Very funny looks to camera. Incredible camera work and shots. Very creative and anarchic and silly and playful. Low shots looking up at her like she's a giant, and the beautiful sort of zoom in to the villain who's, well, there's the villain's assassin who seems to be waiting behind a screen there. We just see his eyes in the red and he looks menacing and just so good. And then the villain with the cigarette who's just waiting around, waiting for his moment to pounce and get the assassin to do his job, and of course Kana sitting there looking pretty and sort of almost James Bondish as this hero. It was a really psychedelic kind of experience, and I had to just take it in, really. I don't know what to say. It's really, really playful and mad, and I think that's what I really like. I like absurd kind of performance and cinema. So I mean, let me know what you think of this. This is obviously something that was popular at the time, and obviously it kind of was an interesting India at that time, burgeoning kind of international class there who are sort of engaging in slightly westernized clubs and dress and dance and activities and culture. What do we think of it? What's it saying? I think Helen is just this grenade that they let off in the middle of a film. We'll get Helen to play a nightclub singer and dancer who is a supporting role, and she's a sort of alternative romantic potential for the lead guy, and she might fall in love with him, and she'll be a part of the plot, and she'll help resolve the plot. I think it's a very interesting choice. It's a very interesting career. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there are other Helen films that are worth seeing, and I would love to do some more. Again, I would love to do some more live streams. I've got a couple coming up, and I'm going to do one from Dubai, near Dubai, February. And I want to wish you all a very happy new year. If you're working by the Western calendar, it's been so fun doing this, and you're such a wonderful and supportive community. So I thank you all. I am your Brit Reacting to Bollywood. I will take your advice on any other platforms to play and publish on, and I wish you all a happy new year. Goodbye.